Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video we are going to start with searching algorithms. Okay, we will be understanding about linear search, binary search, ternary search, jump search, exponential search, all those searching techniques. Okay, we are starting with the simplest of all of these, that is linear search. Trust me, there is no search simpler than this one. What we do, if you have 100 items or 100 lakh items, no matter how many items you have in your particular array, you are going to check through all of those items and verify if any of those characters, those integers, are matching with the number that you are passing. If they match, that means this will return true, or else it will return false. Okay, and in our case we are going to do search with the integer array, and the number is also integer. Okay, let's write logic for this. This will return true numbers array, and that is the number to search. Okay, let's write a loop there. For integer I is equal to 0, I is less than numbers dot length. Okay, if numbers of I is equal to number to search, return true, right, or else return false. In the end, any array, if it is not able to find right, it will return false only. So we are searching for 8, and we have 8 in the second last in the array, so we are supposed to get true. Obviously we are supposed to get true, and we are getting true. Wow, so this logic is no rocket science, as you can see. Okay, if we are trying to search for something as 88 or something, it is supposed to return false, and it is returning false, obviously. So you see, in linear search, basically this is the O of n operation. Okay, from first number till last number in the array, this is searching through the whole array. Okay, so obviously this is not the good way to search for a number in a integer array. We'll be learning about binary search, which is the best and most optimized way for searching. We'll learn through about both of the techniques, the iterative way and the recursive way. So that's all as part of this video. See you in the next one. May the source be with you.